welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, yeah. Earlier on my YouTube channel, I showed you the Daphne's diary. I call these magazines, yeah. And they keep sending me those each month or each 2 months. I don't know exactly. But yeah, it appears in my mailbox, and I could not resist to show you a few. I just absolutely love these, and in each package normally there will be something extras inside, and oh my gosh, these magazines are just stunning. I can recommend these. They feels like, I don't know if you had in the past, in your childhood, if there is a holiday, you have those magazines to keep you occupied in your holidays with lovely stories inside, things to do, games to play, things to cut out, things to save, so many things. And that's with this also. I get that feeling. See this? You can cut out and you can make a nice cake box. There are nice things. I call these tips you can read, recipes you can cook, you can use, you can make all these beautiful, nice miniatures. And like I said, recipes there are inside. Oh my gosh, these magazines, stickers inside, how to make a nice present, style, tips and pictures, and yeah, I don't know about you, but you still can use all these if you want to cut these out, these old things like this butterfly and this, or even use the image. Those pictures are so beautiful. I just love it. Absolutely stunning. Even garden tips are inside. Oh my gosh. So many things. And here you have, I think, oh yeah, each year there are eight magazines. So you even can, how you call that in English? So you get it each time before it's in the shop. Yeah, abonnement in Dutch, but I don't know what and how that call in English. But oh my gosh, so 8 times you get this each year. And there is also a diary, bullet journal that you get for free. Oh my gosh, good. All right. Oh, look at that. You even can make a satin rose. You can. So lots of tutorials. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. You even can use this in your journal or something. So, oh, look at this pie. Amazing. So yeah, each time when I get these in my hands, it's so lovely to look at it, and then my hands already get itchy. So maybe I want, oh my gosh, oh, this reminds me of my secret garden paper collection. Oh, yeah, that was exactly my inspiration for that. Not this magazine, but that. Alright, so here you have a big paper you can use. Nice. Oh my gosh, I love this. So cool. So, oh, here you have even leather paper. Oh, wow. So if you put this out, write a nice letter to your dearest friend. Oh my gosh, there is so much inside. See, even the back is beautiful. This is a nice game. Find the 5 differences. Here you can learn to paint. Oh, there's so much, so much. These you can use for cupcake holders. Yeah, this you can color. There is too many, and even you have design papers you can use. So look at that. It's just, look at this. See how much there is inside? Oh, and that's just one. That's just one magazine, and you can get these 8 each year. This is the latest one that I received last week. This one I did not watch earlier, but it's so much fun. Take a cup of tea, cup of coffee, nice frappuccino. You also can make this by yourself and sit outside and go through these magazines. Oh my gosh. And then I bet you get, you get so much inspirations. Oh my gosh, look at these butterflies. No way. You can cut these out. Even the front and back are the same. So, oh, cool. Oh, that's a wonderful idea. If the front and back is the same, you can cut it out. Lay it between 2 clear sheets. Make a nice arrangement, and it's a beautiful, beautiful thing to add in your albums. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Tips to remove ants. Oh, look at how beautiful this all is. So many tips and tricks. So much to do. Recipe. Bananas, strawberries, the bees. So you even can learn things, how all things happens with the bees. Here you have a nice little story. Oh, look at this image. Guys, you really love these magazines. Oh my gosh, look at all these stickers that are inside. So cool. If you want to make a nice little journal. Even this you can use, guys. I would cut this complete magazine after I read it all, after I save things that I want to save, and the rest I don't get. Even this, guys, even you can make a nice journal and make each page with something like this. Oh my gosh, my fingers are itchy. Why did I not do that already? That would be awesome to make a nice junk journal with one magazine with all. Oh, you can play bingo. Oh. oh, look at this. A wooden beach house inside a empty fish can. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah. Recipes. This keeps going and going and going and going, and all those images you can cut out for a nice mixed media page. This keeps going, guys. It's just amazing. Pottery, cities, absolutely stunning. Learn how to make a bouquet. What's this? What's this? This you can push out. Definitely would be something. And then here you have a bigger poster. So cool. I'm not gonna take it out. Oh, you can make I call that summer wire. Bartje Bolleboos, a nice little story to read. Lifestyle, traveling lists, cocktails, information on a museum. Discontinuings, guys. Oh my gosh, make your own junk journal, how to make a junk journal. Decoration, coloring. Oh, I love this ad. Cut this out and put it in your junk journal. So sweet. I want to read this. Met je blote voeten in het warme zand, zandkastelen bouwen aan de waterkant. De zoetgekleurde ijsjes in overvloed, alles mag, niks moet. Geen wolkjes, volop van zonneschijn. De zomer, oh zo fijn. Love it. Love it. Oh, look at this. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, look at that. You can make a nice pot and put this around it. Oh, that's definitely an eye catcher. Beautiful design papers. Yeah, absolutely stunning. I really can recommend Daphne's Diary journal magazines. There are so many things inside, as I just show you. And mostly each package has something extra on it. And this time there was a coloring book inside, an extra coloring book. So cool. And there was a bullet journal inside. So, oh my goodness, so cool. So you also get sometimes free things extra with it. So check it out, check it out. I will put a link below on the website for Daphne's Diaries. They also have agendas and loads of other things. So check their website, check. Thank you so much, Daphne, that you still send me those each time. I am really blessed. So thank you so much. Check it out, our website, Daphne's Diary. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Bye bye.